और इस बीच बड़ी खबर आ रही है, पीएम मोदी आज रात ही भारत लौटेंगे। सऊदी अरब दौरे पर प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी हैं। 2 दिवसीय उनका यह सऊदी अरब दौरा था, लेकिन जिस तरीके से पहलगाम में आतंकी हमला हुआ है, उसके बाद प्रधानमंत्री ने अपने दौरे को छोड़ने का फैसला किया है। आज रात ही जेद्दा से प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी वापस आएंगे। पहलगाम हमले की वजह से पीएम नरेंद्र मोदी ने अपने इस दौरे को छोटा किया है। आज दोपहर लगभग 3:30 बजे पहुंचे थे जेद्दा, लेकिन
also discussed the progress in the India, Middle East, Europe economic corridor, and both the leaders agreed that it is a vision which is beneficial to everyone in the region, and they agreed to expedite the work on the IMF. Both the leaders also discussed other issues of interest. Prime Minister thanked His Royal Highness for taking care of the welfare of 2.7 million Indian diaspora members living in the kingdom. His Royal Highness particularly mentioned his appreciation of the contribution of the Indian diaspora in the kingdom. He said that everyone in Saudi Arabia loves Indians and there is no Saudi who doesn't have Indian friends. He emphasized that in next few years, due to many big developmental projects, they are looking at increasing the number of Indian workers to India. Prime Minister and His Royal Highness also co-chaired the second meeting of the India-Saudi Arabia Strategic Partnership Council. The two leaders reviewed the work under various committees and they signed the minutes of the Strategic Partnership Council meeting. Honorable Prime Minister, apart from his engagements at the Royal Palace, also met the Indian community earlier today. He also received yoga expert Padma Shri Ms. Nauf Marwai, and he is also going to receive the Secretary General of Muslim World League later today. As you know, Prime Minister shares a very warm and close and personal relationship with His Royal Highness Crown Prince, and the warmth and close friendship was very visible during this visit. We are also grateful for the warm welcome given to Honorable Prime Minister on his arrival in Jeddah. As you know, he was accorded special honors, including a 21-gun salute. The aircraft of Prime Minister was escorted by Saudi fighter jet when it entered the Jeddah airspace. These elements exemplify the importance of Saudi Arabia attaches to its relations with India. The Saudi official delegation comprised of several senior ministers, including Minister of Energy, Minister of Sports, Interior, National Guards, Foreign Affairs, Commerce, Investment, Deputy Governor of Makkah.
ABP News आपको रखे आगे।